Today we are going to take a look at how to delete products. Deleting the products will help you to remove unnecessary products that are to be discontinued or are created by mistake. The delete functionality will only delete the products created in Orderhive. Please note, only products whose incoming and outgoing quantity is 0 can be deleted. You can delete a single product or even delete multiple products in one go. To delete a product, go to Products and select the product to be deleted. Then click on More and select Delete option. You will get a pop-up asking for confirmation. Just go ahead and click Delete. Similarly, to delete products in bulk, select multiple products from the Products section with a single click on each. Then click on More and select the Delete option. You will get a similar pop-up asking you for confirmation. Press on Delete. The product deletion will take some time to process depending on the number of products. It is that simple to delete products in Orderhive. Reach out to the Orderhive expert through this chat icon for any more queries. Happy selling to you!